Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to clone any website using ChatGPT. So this is a website we are going to be cloning today. The first step is to screenshot your website. Get a screenshot of your website. The next step is to head over to ChatGPT and upload the screenshot of the website you want to clone. After uploading the image, you type this short prompt: generate the HTML and CSS for this website. You can choose to add more details depending on what you want. So you hold on for it to finish generating. You can see your code generating real time. So after this generation, you can just copy and paste it in your text editor and so on. Let's wait for it to finish generating. Once it's done generating, copy your text. Let's start with the HTML. Go to your text editor, save your text. Remember, you must save your HTML with .html extension. It is very important. So we are saving it as index.html. Saved. Then paste your HTML code. Do the same thing for your CSS. Save it as, let's save this as styles.css. We save that, copy our CSS code, and then we paste it in our CSS. We save it. You have to save both the CSS and HTML so that you can update. So once you finish saving, you open your website, and there you have it. There you go. You cloned your website. Congratulations. You will now clone a website.